Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will discuss the very important part of the sales module, which is the sale invoice. Let us go into the detail. If you double click this, okay, you can see that the interface of the sales invoice. If you click on the Arabic, okay, you can get the complete translation in Arabic. Of course, the Arabic user, okay, he will use this interface. For the English user, they can use the English interface, but the functionality is totally same. Okay, the same button will perform the same functionality. So let us go into the English version. I will explain each part of this sale invoice one by one. Okay, you have to click this new button. Okay, you are ready for in the creation mode, and you are now creating the sale invoice. An automatic date will come up over here. You can change the date according to your choice. If you want to create the 2 days date, okay, just click on this button. This is the location. If you have more than one location, okay, you can press the F9 button and all the location will come up over here, and you can select the location from where you are invoicing, okay, to which customer. Okay, so in this third option we have quotation from. This is very important. Okay, quotation from, you can made your quotation from quotation. You can made your invoice from quotation, sales order, delivery order, or normal. Okay, let us discuss one by one. First I will go with the normal, and this is the reference number. Okay, I am going with the standard normal form, so there is no need for the reference number for the other option. So I will click here, enter, just enter. So selecting the customer, in my case, for example, I am saying that cash customer. Okay, the cash account will automatically attach, and the payment mode is automatically cash, as you can see here. And I have to enter the name of the customer. Okay, for example, Imran Khan. Okay, this is the cash customer, name of the customer. Like, okay, this is the mobile number. Okay, you have to provide the 10 digit, system is saying. Okay, of course, in case of customer who is having the VAT number, you can provide the VAT. Okay, here we have three types. Okay, tax VAT, zero VAT, exempt VAT. Any point of time, if you want to create the invoice which is zero VAT, or you want to exempt the VAT, you can choose these options. Okay, and this is the salesman. Okay, by clicking this button you will come up over here. Okay, the default currency is Saudi Riyal. You can type the remarks. Okay, for example, this is test invoice for training purpose. Okay, you can type any description. For those customers who are handling the projects like construction company, they can provide the project, okay, from the list, and this is the default account of the sales account. Okay, so here in the bottom section we have here site. Actually this is the branch or site from where stock is moving. Okay, sometime it quietly possible that you are invoicing from the head office or from the showroom, and the stock will be deducted, stock will be taken from the other branch or from the warehouse. So you can mention the that branch. Okay, so where the stock will be deducted. So if I left it blank, it means that the same which is branch number 1, okay, stock will be affected from the branch number 1. So in the item list we can press the F9. Okay, so here is a list of item. For example, in my case I can go with any item you like. So for example, if I'm going with this, okay, this is the sales quantity, okay, sale price, amount, and the VAT, okay, and the net amount. And you can see that in the Arabic, okay, the same functionality we can perform with the Arabic. Next, okay, next, cash customer, okay, we can write the customer name, okay, any name you can type in Arabic as well, okay, mobile number, and VAT number if there is any, okay, the salesman, and any description if you want to type. Pressing the F9 button, you can select any item, and you can search from this, okay, by pressing writing your description over here, okay, it will search automatically for you, okay. For example, okay, I'll select any of the item, okay. In the same way, I have to provide my quantity. In my case, for example, 10, as you can see that, okay, everything is same. If you go with the English or Arabic mode, it's totally same, okay. And for example, the total amount is, as you can see, that 1200, and VAT is 180, and total is, okay, 1380. For example, you want to offer 2000 discount, for example, or 200 discount, sorry, 200 discounts, okay. As you can see that, okay, from the 1200, 200 will be deducted, and the rest amount, okay, Zariba or the VAT will be applied on the rest of the amount. To verify this, let me see. For example, 1200 minus 200, we have 1000, okay, multiply by 15 divided by 100, 150 plus 1000, okay, we have 1150, which is this amount, okay. That's it, okay. Press the save button, okay, it will give you the message save successfully, okay. So once you will save, okay, as you can see that I can go, I can click on the print button. Here we have two types of print: letterhead, okay. If you have your own letterhead, you can put into the printer, and it will give you the printer where the top and bottom will be empty, okay. The inside body will be printed on your letterhead. So we have here Fatura Zariba, Mabiyat, okay, Rakmal Amil, Ismal Amil, okay, Zaribi, Rakmal Amil, address, okay, invoice number, date, type of payment, okay, this is your Zariba, okay, company, and this is your Sajal Tajari number, registration number. The details are coming, okay, and the summary of this. You can notice that here this is Fatura Ghair Musajjala, unposted invoice. Why? Because sometime you need time to confirm this invoice, okay. So unless you did not click this button, a QR code will not be applied. As you can see that if you go with the plain option, okay, the header and footer will be attached automatically for you, okay, and the rest of the thing is same, okay, but it is unposted. So in unpost mode you can perform any kind of changes. For example, if you want to change anything, you just have to query it again, okay. Press the unlock button, for example, okay, I can say that this is my test invoice, okay. Whatever change, I can add more item, I can delete item, I can change the price, literally anything, okay. And by pressing save button many time, okay, 10, 20, 100 time you can perform change, and you can save this invoice. But once you click the post, okay, like this, and then save button, okay, as you can see that what will happen if you print it now, okay, you can see that the barcode is attached with you, okay. I'll show you the output of the barcode, but now this time you cannot change this, okay. If you go and click this, okay, it will give you the message you cannot modify the posted transaction, okay. So let me show you something more in English format, as we have already saved the invoice, you can open in English and Arabic at any point of view, and at any point of time you can change the interface or the template of your sale invoice, and the data saved in Arabic or English is available of course for both mode. As you can see, I have queried this and the barcode is attached because I have posted this, and after posting I cannot made any change, because in QR code, you know very well, our company code, our VAT number, okay, the amount and the date time especially is captured in the QR code, and if it will be changed, okay, and we have to face the consequences because it is against the ZK rules, okay, if the QR code definition is changed. So other things you can apply with this, you can add this shipment via payment terms, okay, and all these options. You can have your cost centers, as you can see, code takalfa, this is the cost center amount. Any point of time you can close and open it again, okay. You can perform query, you can go to the next, okay, next, previous, okay. You can take any printing at any point of time. For example, this is my printing, okay, for this invoice, okay. I can go with the letterhead, okay. You are in English mode, okay, English and Arabic, okay, translation will come automatically for you. Now it's your matter of choice, you want to take the print in Arabic format or English format, okay. The QR code is here, this is the Fatura Dariba, and let me show you the outcome of this QR code, okay. Here in my WhatsApp, I can show you in the ZK approved 2 websites, okay. This is 100% compliance with the ZK app, okay. Here it is the detail, okay. It will come like this when you scan from the ZK, and in their new app, okay, we have the output like this. It is totally 100% okay, in compliance. Okay, so if I'm going to print in the plain, okay, so header and footer will be attached automatically, English, Arabic, okay, all together version you can print in this format or in the Arabic format, okay. And after posting, it is directly affected into the ledger account. I'll show you now. If you want to see the transactions or the ledger entry, you can go to the view all vouchers, okay, and just query this, okay, and you can see that the sale voucher is automatically created for you with SLV underscore 33 is the transaction ID of our sale invoice, okay. And here we can see that, okay, our customer is debited with 1380, okay, and the sale is credited with 1200. VAT department is credited with 180, okay. Cost of goods sold 1000, and inventory stock is credited with the 1000. So by posting, we have 1 2 3 4 5 kinds of ledgers are automatically created and ready, prepared for you. If you want to test the ledgers, okay, that what exactly happens with this after this posting, for example, I will show you the VAT the card department ledger. If you go and click here, go to the ledger. By the way, in detail, when we come into the account section, we will discuss all these detail in more detail over here, but just to show you the posting effect, okay, I'm going to execute, okay, pressing the execute button. As you can see that, okay, this is the invoice, voucher number 5, and invoice is credit amount 180. If you click on the sales account, okay, you can see that 1200 is the sale amount, and cash customer, okay, cash customer, as you can say 1380 is the amount of the invoice. Let me recall this amount by executing this here. As you can see that this 1380, okay, amount is debited to the customer, cash customer, and 1200 is credited in the sale and 180 is credited in the VAT amount, and 1000 is of course we have cost of goods sold, okay, and 1000 we have credit and entry of inventory. I hope so you understand this concept, but we will discuss in detail when we will jump into the accounts, okay. The purpose is to show you that with or without posting effect. Let me recall, okay, invoice you can change any kind of thing, okay, which you want. You can add item, you can delete item, you can modify prices, you can modify quantity unless you have unposted form, okay. So once you are posted, it will attach the QR code, okay. Now it is of course the ZK, okay, requirement. We cannot change this invoice. To ensure this, after that you can click this button, it will not allow you to edit the invoice. In the same way, if you want to create invoice with the other customer, click on the new button, select any one of this customer. The rest process is same. You can have different type of payment mode: cash, credit, POS transfer, check, okay. So use with this option, okay, you will get to know and at any point of time, if the invoice is unposted, you can use this option, okay. So you can see the effect of these options. The total things are self-explanatory, okay. At any point of time you can choose in Arabic and you can execute this, okay. As you can see that in Arabic mode everything is same, so simple, so fine. I hope so you have a good idea of invoice module. Now you can create easily of your invoices either in cash or credit, and you can see their effects in the accounts. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.